Welcome! If those little notification dots on your Snapchat icon are constantly popping up because of Discover Stories, you're definitely not alone. They can be distracting, especially when you're not even interested in those updates. The good news is, you can turn them off in just a few simple steps, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your device controls live. So once you're there, scroll down until you find Apps, then tap on it. Next, look through your app list and select Snapchat. This will open up all the settings specifically related to the app. Now, tap on Notifications. This section controls everything about how Snapchat sends alerts to your phone. Once you're inside, tap on Notification Categories. This is where Snapchat separates different types of notifications, like messages, friend activity, and Discover content. From here, find and tap on Stories and Discover. This is the setting responsible for those badge notifications that appear on your app icon. Finally, you'll see an option labeled App Icon Badges. Simply toggle this off. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the App Icon badge for Snapchat Discover Stories. You'll still be able to use Snapchat normally, but without those extra notification dots cluttering your screen. If you ever want to turn it back on, just follow the same steps and switch the toggle back. Taking a minute to customize your notifications like this can really help keep your phone cleaner and less distracting, especially if you're trying to stay focused throughout the day.